This June, I will be in Amsterdam for the Supply Chain Risk and Resilience Forum. I am Caio Gouveia, leading EMEA Planning and IBP at FMC Corporation. My session is Visibility Before Constraints: Why Supply Chain Optimizes the Wrong Reality. We are going to address a critical friction point: why organizations over-engineer planning systems before building the baseline visibility and data trusted needed for decision making. I will break down why dirty data is a process governance issue before it becomes a technology problem, and why AI only creates value when it's backed by clear ownership and disciplined process. If you are currently escalating AI or advanced planning capability, this session is built for you. See you in Amsterdam.